Hey you guys, it's Unique from New Travels TV. I just made it to my apartment here in Seoul, Korea. Super tired, long flight. I flew from Roanoke to Atlanta, but it's only like an hour and 30 minutes, and then from Atlanta to Seoul. So that flight was 14 hours. Then I had to go through all the stuff in the airport, which I'll make another video about. But this video, my light, I just noticed is motion detector. Okay, so much motion sensor. So I'm coming to make an apartment video just so you guys can see what it looks like. So I'm standing in front of my front door. It actually has a keypad to get in. When I come inside, this is what I see first. There's also a little step thing for you to leave your shoes. And so I have two of these right next to each other. One and then two. So I guess for storage space for me to put stuff. And then I step up, I come in. What do we have here? I don't know. They did give me some stuff with some instructions on how to work it because the floors are heated and stuff. And then some kind of some kind of system. Maybe it's heat or air conditioner or something like that. Flat screen TV, Wi-Fi router. Then we have the sofa. So this is like my little living room area. I am on the first floor. As you can see, it's raining outside. So I'm literally right on the first floor. But I do have something like a little porch area. Oh, there's a door right here. I don't know what it is or what it's to because as you can see, all my bags are stacked up in front of it. So as I keep going, I have a full-size refrigerator, which you can see here. My school probably put a couple things in here. So I have some bread, some cream cheese, some eggs, and some waters and something else. I don't know what that is. This right here is a washer and a dryer. So it does both in one unit. What else we have going on here? So this is some kind of, I can pull this down. This for this window. Also, it's a table here with some chairs that I can pull out. Some drawers. What else is going on here? So they gave me like, my school provided me with a bunch of stuff because I'm on quarantine for 14 days. So I have like hangers and some bananas. Ugh, it's got gnats on it. What the? Oh my gosh. I just released a bunch of gnats. As soon as I pulled out the bananas, all these gnats came out. So I'm definitely putting those in the trash. I don't know. Bananas wasn't even on my list. Why did they give me? Anyway, I'm sorry. So I have like toothpaste, toothbrush, some soap. This is some kind of microwave oven, which is funny that it's sitting over here. Like, shouldn't it be in the sink area? My school provides me with a Macbook, so it has all that stuff in here. Instructions, which I haven't even read over, on how to use stuff, and it's in like English on how to use the washing machine and all that. Yeah, what else I got over here? Some like charger stuff, a vacuum of some sort. What is it? Soft brush, some kind of vacuum or something. Because it's hard. It's no carpet in here, so maybe it's for like hardwood type of floors. Toilet paper, or maybe this is paper towels. I'm not sure. It's paper towels. Wet wipes. Oh, there goes the tissue down there. Kleenex box, 2 big gallons of water, a fan, stainless seat bin. Okay, I think this is a trash can. In here, some kind of fork, knife set. Some really big knives, like I'm a chef or something. just some kind of seasoning, salt and pepper. I don't know what else are in these boxes. I'm not even gonna open them up. Anyway, so this is my kitchen. So refrigerator, got some storage shelves up here. I'm thinking these open at the top. Yeah, oh, well, there's stuff in there. But yeah, okay, so these all open up. Automatic fire extinguisher thing. My stove top. I'm not sure, is this a oven or is this a dishwasher? Anyway, I don't know because I don't know how to open it. I'll have to read the instructions. So here goes some more like cabinet space. Then we come into my bedroom. As you can see, there's a lot of like just clear mirror thing going on here. So there's that. This is my porch. I assume it's the porch. I don't know if I can actually go out of it. I don't really know what's happening here. I'm going to have to try to figure out what's going on. Okay. What's this do? Okay. Oh, okay. So this slides. Oh, this is cool. I figured it out with you guys. And then it's a screen door and it opens. Step outside. So this is like my little fake little porch area and it ends right there. Got a couple of plants out here and as you can see there's the traffic. My first real view of South Korea. I fell asleep. It took an hour to get here from my transportation. The car that my school sent to the airport, it took an hour for me to get here. So I ended up falling asleep. So I didn't really see much. It was raining and it's dark outside, even though it's only like 6 o'clock. Okay, so that's what's going on with that. And then I have some more of these things here. My little twin bed that they gave me. I asked for a full, but they was like, no, we can't give you a full, only for couples. Dresser drawer, wardrobe, which I guess would be for those hangers they provided me for, because I like to hang my stuff. I don't really like to fold it because it just gets messed up when you're looking for something. Okay, so then you come inside. We have a toilet, sink, shower. Oh, 2 shower heads, one at the top, one down here. So this is nice. Okay, so this opens up to put many, many things inside. Like, I'm viewing this the first time with you guys right now. So that's why I'm like in awe about everything. Anyway, so that is my apartment tour. I'm going to come back and tell you guys about my experience in the airport, what it's like going through the airport now that coronavirus is hitting and all the lines I had to stand in and all the crazy stuff. But this is Unique New Travels.tv. I'll say in Chris for Chris because she's still in the States. She's coming in about 2 weeks. So, yeah, like, subscribe, share. I'll see you guys next time.